All right. So let me come back. All of you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Audible. Can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So the problem with this is for in this particular problem, it is an 8-point DFT, but the number of samples that you have, this is for how many samples you're having? For n equal to 0, n
Four
equal to 1,
samples.
n equal to 2, small n equal to 3, and small n equal to 4. Only 4 samples you have. For 8-point DFT, if you want to calculate, you will vary your summation from small n equal to 0 to n minus 1, right? Your equation for DFT, always write the DFT equation, general equation first in any problem. X of n, W, n power, n k, where k also varies from 0 to n minus 1. Now, if you write the expression specifically for 8-point DFT, this is n equal to 0 to 7, x of n, w8 power nk, where k varies from 0, 1, 2 until 7, right? But you have samples for of n, that is small n, the index of time domain. How many samples you're having? You're just having 4. So ideally, your x of n, because you want to calculate the spectrum in the frequency domain, it extends further. Okay, so what are you going to do? What happened? Okay, so x of n, you will rewrite it. You will do something called as zero padding. Okay, you will do something called as zero padding, wherein your x of n is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. You will add 4 more zeros here. So here this is n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 samples totally. Is it okay now? 0 to 7, you have 8 samples. You will do something called as zero padding. So whenever the sample length is falling short than the DFT point asked, you're going to do this zero padding. Now let us write our expression. Let me go to the next page. No problem. Oh, this has come here. Okay. All right. So our x of k, okay, the expression is, what was that? N equal to 0 to 7, x of n, w8 power nk, k varies from 0 to 7 was the value. Now we are going to substitute your x of n value, that is 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, we are going to use this and we will substitute in the expression. So what do I get? X of k is equal to, open the summation, x of k is, you want to write this, you can write x of 0, w8 power 0 plus x of 1, w8 power k plus x of 2. You can write the expression directly also, because first few problems, let me not skip this steps, you write it completely. X of 3, w8 power 3k plus x of 4, w8 power 4k plus x of 5, w8 power 5k plus x of 6, w8 power 6k plus x of 7, w8 power 7k. Okay, this is the expression you have got. Now substitute the values, okay, to all these things, since the last values, that is x of 0, 1, 2, 3, from x of 4 onwards, this is n equal to 4. From there onwards you have 0 padded. x of 4 onwards, all these terms is nothing but 0. So you will be left with x of 0 W8 power 0 plus x of 1 W8 power k plus x of 2 W8 power 2k plus x of 3 W8 power 3k. Now go on giving values. Go on giving values for these. Substitute the sample values. So this is x of 0 is 1. So it is W8 power 0 plus x of 1 is 2. 2 W8 power k plus x of 2 is also 2. 2 W8 power 2k plus x of 3 is 1. So it is W8 power 3k. Now we got the expression for x of k. All right. You got the expression for WF x of k. Here you should remember k varies from 0 to 7. So go on giving values for your x of 0, x of 1. Calculate each of this. You have W8 values, you have these values. I want you all to substitute and tell me the answers. Substitute and tell me the answers. I'll ask anybody in random now. I've already done this, isn't it? Okay, well, the first one, what happens? Everything is nothing but anything to the power 0 is 1. So this is nothing but W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 0 plus W8 power 0. This is nothing but 1 plus
6, ma'am.
2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6.
1.
X of 1 is how much? Similarly, you do for each and tell me. You have to solve it. Okay. X of 1 is W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 1 plus 2 W8 power 2 plus W8 power 3. So you have in the previous slide, you have the values for W8. You have written it. You have calculated it. Substitute these values, W8 values in this expression and tell me the answer for this. Okay, in the next, what happens? This is W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 2 plus 2 W8 power 4 plus W8 power 3 into 2, that is 6. This will be W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 3 plus 2 W8 power 2 into 3, that is 6, plus W8 power 3 into 3, 9. So you know that W8 power 9 is same as W8 power 1, isn't it? N plus k. So you can write this expression as W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 3 plus 2 W8 power 6 plus W8 power 1. So do this, remember to substitute whenever twiddle factor is there. Remember to use this W8 power 8 plus k is same as W8 power k. Very, very important. Please use this whenever you're doing the simplification. All right? So solve this. I will directly write this for each of this. X of 4 is again W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 4 plus 2 W8 power 4 into 2, that is 8. Wn power n is same as W8 power 0. You can write it as 1. Okay. W8 power 8 is same as W8 power 0. Okay, 2 into 4, 8 plus all. Remember, I'm looking at this expression and writing your x of k. Okay. Are you all there with me or sleeping?
Yes, ma'am. There, ma'am.
All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So please keep doing this and tell me the answers. 2 into W8 power 0. This is W8 power 3 into 4, that is 12. So W8 power 12, I will write it as what? I can write it as W8 power 8 plus 4. So that is
4, ma'am.
W8 power 4. Okay. So write down answers for all these things. So each problem in the future, I am not going to write all these things because one whole period will go in solving a problem in that case. Step by step, one, 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 one. If I keep writing like this, slowly for you people to understand. Now, you people please practice, take more problems and practice it. Okay. Plus 2 W8 power 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 you can write it as 8 plus 2. So this will be W8 power 2 plus W8 power 3k means 3 into 5, 15. So how can you write 15? 8 plus 7. So that is W8 power 7. Okay, this many values you need to get. X of 6, X of 7. Okay. X of 6 is W8 power 0 plus 2W8 power 6 plus 2W8 power 6 into 2, 12. So how will you write 12? You can write it as W8 power 4. That is 8 plus 4, so you can write it as 4. Plus W8 power 3 into, what was that? 3 into 6, 18. So 18 you can write it as 8 plus 10, or 18 you can write it as, how will you write 18? W8 power 18. You can write W8 power 18 as W8 power 16 plus 2. Or if you want to, 2 times you want the same as W8 power 2. If you want to further, if you're not understanding, you can write it as W8 power 10 plus 8 n plus k. So this will be W8 power 10. Further you split it. This is W8 power 8 plus 2. That is nothing but W8 power 2. Okay, you can write like that. So this is W8 power 2. We leave some space to write that answer. Okay. So x of 7 is nothing but W8 power 0 plus 2 W8 power 7 plus 2 W8 power 7 into 2, 14. 14, how will you write? 8 plus 6. So W8 power 6 plus W8 power 3, 3 into 7, that is 21. W8 power 21, how you can write? Write down in the side. You can write it as W8 power 16 plus 5. So this will be how much? W8 power 5. 8 into 2, 16 plus 5 you can write. Or again, you go step by step. You write it as 8 plus, you can write it as W8 power 8 plus how much? 11, 13, isn't it? Twenty-one. You can also further write it as W8 power 13, W8 power n plus k. Okay. So further you write W8 power 13. Now you can split 8 plus 5. So this is same as W8 power 5. You can write like this also. Anything is fine. Please, if you want to further understand in the side, you write down this much, you copy down. Let me erase this. I hope it is clear now to all of you. Okay. Let me write the answers now. If you have solved this, since you have all the values for W8 and everything, substitute and solve. Let me write down the answers. You please verify if it's correct. This will be, you can keep it in points also, 1.707 minus 4.1213. J. So this will be like the calculator because these are values that I myself have solved it. So this will be how you are exactly to the decimal point. This is how you will be getting it. 0.2928 minus 0.1213J. Okay. X of 4 is 0. 0.298 plus 0.1213J. Check and tell me if it's right. Minus 1 plus J. You can use J or I, anything is fine. X of 6 is 6 was minus 1 plus J. Sorry, this is 0. X of 4 is 0. Okay. This is 0.2928 plus J 0.1213. Okay. X of 6 is minus 1 plus J and X of 7 is 1.7071 plus 4.123J. All right. So if you observe even here, you can find the complex conjugate values. See this value, and X of 1 and X of 7. It's always like that, 1 and 7, because 7, n plus k, okay? That concept. Always 1 and 7 will be complex conjugate. 2 and 6 will be complex conjugate, if you observe, see here. So in the future, in the next chapter, no, we'll be using this periodicity property. We'll not do all the calculation like this. We'll just write only half and write the complex conjugate for the rest. Only half the, suppose 8-point DFT, we'll calculate actual calculation only for 4 points we'll do. Rest half we'll just write the complex conjugate. This is also a conjugate property of your DFT. Properties of DFT we will see, right? Please keep this problem intact. Let me take some other color. Okay. See this value and this value. These are also complex conjugates. Just check the sign whether this is minus or this is minus. I have a small doubt. I think it's right. Okay, just check it, but Generally, this is how the complex conjugates will be. Got it? All of you? All of you are getting? Understanding this? Have you all solved it? Should I ask specifically somebody? Let me see. Ayush. Are you there, Ayush? Ayush has not
Yes,
solved it.
Yeah.
Have you solved?
ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, solving.
Okay, okay. Solve it. Atit Kumar. EC009. Are you there, Atit?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this?
Yes, understood, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Practice it. Practice it. All of you must practice it, okay? Do same problem if you want, you solve 2 or 3 times. No need to even take another problem and solve immediately. At least what is done in the class, please solve it 1 or 2 times. The same thing, you will understand it very clearly. All right? Others? Chinnagi, Reddy? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood? You have understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you outside? Could hear some vehicle sound?
No, ma'am, my house is near road, ma'am. So vehicles on.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Fine. Others? Vaishali? Vaishali, are you there? I'm giving time for others to write down, those who have not written it. Vaishali, are you there? Vaishali is not there. Are you writing, Vaishali? Madhushri? Madhushri, are you there? Madhushri?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand, Madhushri?
I'm taking down.
Okay, okay, fine.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. I'm not
Yeah.
getting how to solve this. We have 2 into 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2, ma'am.
Huh. For which
So
one?
here I can multiply 2 separately with the 2 terms, ma'am.
For which one? Tell me.
Ma'am, for x1, ma'am.
X of 1.
Yes, ma'am. 1 plus 2 into 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2, ma'am.
X of 1. Yeah. I will write down
So
this
that,
one in next page if you want.
yes, ma'am.
For x of 1, you have 1 plus 2 into 1
1
by
by
root
root
2 minus j by root 2.
2, j into 1 by
Okay,
1 by
j
root
by
2.
root
Yes,
2 or
ma'am, j
1
by
by root 2. Plus
Ma'am,
2
now here,
into
yes, ma'am,
minus
yes, ma'am.
j
Minus j.
plus, what was that? Minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. Right? This is what you have. Now what you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Denominator is common, right? You don't have to multiply this. How will you multiply? You have to cancel for both. So this becomes 1 by, this root 2 and this 2 goes. You write it this
Yes,
way.
ma'am.
Root 2 you write common. 1 minus j you write. Into 2 you write it. Root 2 and this is root 2. Is it not? So this will be 1
Yes, ma'am.
plus root 2 minus root 2j minus 2j. This will be minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
you take all the real
Ma'am,
terms together. 1 plus root 2 minus 1 by root 2. All the real terms you group together. Okay. Done, no? 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Correct.
Ma'am, what doubt I had is, ma'am,
Huh.
Now we have minus j by root 2, no ma'am. Can I divide 1 by root 2? That what fraction I get into j, ma'am?
What
I mean, what
fraction?
decimal number I get into j? Sorry, ma'am. What decimal number I get into j, ma'am?
Why will you multiply with j? J you
No,
have to.
ma'am. J by root 2.
Sorry?
J by root 2 is there, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can make it like 1 divided by root 2 into j, ma'am.
It is the same, right? J by root 2 or 1 divided by root 2 into j, it is same. What is the difference between these two?
So I'll get 0.707 j, ma'am.
Yeah, 0.707 j.
Yes.
Root 2 is
That sounds like-
1.414, right? So 1 divided by 1.414 is 0.707.
J term was there, so I got confused, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this will be, you understood how to do this? J you
Yes,
take
ma'am,
it out.
understood.
J you take it out. All the imaginary terms you group it together. Root 2 minus 2. Okay. If you want to take minus outside, you can take, or you keep plus. If you keep it plus, minus root 2 into j, minus 2 and minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So all these things you solve, you will get the answer. Whatever I've written. 1.7071. You keep it in fraction if you want, or if you want, you can keep it in the imaginary thing itself. 4.1213j. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So for others also how to solve this, because he was asking, I was just telling. So similarly for each of the things, you have to do these calculations. You can do it in the side and you can write the final answer. You just write it down. Write down the answers first. All have copied down or still copying? Madhushri done copying? Madhushri? Madhushri,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
have
ma'am.
you finished copying? Okay. I hope
Yes, ma'am.
all of you have written it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Madhushri, I
ma'am.
could hear you. I could hear you. Yeah, good. Fine.
Thank you.
All right. So let us solve a small problem and we will stop. Okay, for today. Because make sure that this one, whatever I showed you here, right? Please calculate the till W8 power 20. Please go on calculating and understand the periodicity. Compare the complex conjugates, and please try to understand that. Okay? Please solve whatever exercise I've asked you to do it. I want you all to do it. Don't just leave it like that, because it's of no use if we keep on moving forward without understanding anything. So as far as possible, step by step, without leaving out anything, I have shown you all the steps. Please go through it. If possible, I will, convert this video into some other stream also and try to upload it. All right. Okay. So find the endpoint DFT of the sequence. Find the endpoint DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 1/3 for n varying from 0 to 2, 0 elsewhere. Okay. So here, if you see, this is a very general kind of expression. You substitute it here in your x of k equation. X of k, you know, is summation n varying from 0 to n minus 1, x of n, wn power nk, where k varies from 0 to n minus 1. Okay? So what is going to happen? You're going to restrict your summation rather than 0 to n minus 1. Your summation will get restricted from n equal to 0 to 2 because rest all values are 0. Is it not? So this will be x of n is nothing but 1 by 3 wn power nk, k varies from 0 to n minus 1. So if you observe, you can make use of the formula summation a power n is 1 minus a power n capital N by 1 minus a, where n equal to 0 to n minus 1 here. Okay, and mod a is less than 1. You can make use of, I'm very sorry. Okay, you can make use of this formula here. Make use of that formula and write down. So 1 by 3 is a constant, you take it outside and take out 1 by 3 summation n equal to 0 to 2 wn power nk. This is the expression. For this you can solve easily. So wn you replace it as, you can write your exponential term 0 to 2.
Ma'am,
Yes,
for this formula, we got summation of n is equal to 0 to 2, no, ma'am?
summation of n equal to 0 to,
0 to 2
yeah,
for
yeah.
this sum.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can't we equate n minus 1 is equal to 2 and consider capital N as 3, ma'am?
You can do that. No problem.
Okay.
You can do. What you're asking is absolutely right. Capital N minus 1 is equal to 2, you can substitute. So capital N will be equal to 3. That is what you have to do actually. Okay. N minus 1 is only 2. I'll do it in the next step. You have to compare this with your n minus 1 expression, right? So this term is actually what? Since we have only till this one, right? Who was that? Who was the one speaking to me right now?
Jayant, ma'am.
Jayant. Jayant, very good. Before I actually moved into the next step itself, you told me what we need to do. Very good. If you actually observe this formula, then you will understand clearly. Is it not? If you have to use this, I told you people, you have to use this formula. Nobody observed what we need to do carefully. Only Jayant, it stuck only in his head that this is what we are supposed to do. Is it not? So if you observe this expression, I was about to come to that only. If we observe this expression with, let me take another color, you will understand. Observe this expression with this expression. If you want to use anything to the whole power n, so what you will do, you will group it like this. Nk. If you want to use your this thing to the power n kind of formula, you observe this expression, compare it with your a power n summation formula. Okay? What is it? Your capital N minus 1 is 2. So capital N value will be 3. Got it? So what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Write down that. So this will be 1 by 3. Okay? A power n, capital N value, now it is 3. 1 by 3 constant you removed out. This is 1 minus A. A is nothing but e power minus j 2 pi by 3, capital N is 3, right? 2 pi by 3 into k, whole thing to the power n. N is again 3, so you can, instead of writing n, you can write 3 here, divided by 1 minus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 k. All right. Now you can simplify, take out the common terms and simplify it. Can you try doing the simplification? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
One hint I will give you. You can actually, try to replace this one with the exponential term. So if you take one exponential term constant outside, this can happen. First, let me write the further simplified version of this.
You can make that 1 as e power 0, ma'am.
Yeah. So e power, rather than e power 0, you try to replace, keep these terms. Okay, this is what you will get. You can simplify it like this also. Okay, let me see how you people want to do it. Solve it. Ultimately, let me give.
Ma'am, is the final answer 0?
No. Final answer is not 0. Final answer is not 0. I will solve it. I'll give you time to do it. Your final answer will be x of k will be equal to 1 by 3 e power minus j 2 pi by nk power 0 plus e power minus j 2 pi by n k. N you can write it as 3 also. So actually I have not solved it like that. I solved it a little different. In your answers you can also get 3 also. You should get it in this form. You can write it as 3 or you can write a generalized expression, not an issue. Instead of n, you can write 3 also. This should be your answer. Okay, please give a try. Maybe if you have a look at how to solve these kind of problems where summation and some formula, you'll reduce it using some formula previously. If you have done it, if you have a look at it, you will understand much clearly. Okay, so next class I will be showing you this also. Okay, let me save this. All right. I hope all of you have understood whatever was done today. Please recall everything and whatever assignments I've given you to solve this problem, the previous one summation problem that I wanted you to do, that you do it and you submit it in Google Classroom. Along with that, please try this also. That is your W8. I want you to do this one and check the periodicity of the twiddle factor. We have done the proof for that. Please do the problems on that also. Okay. Hope everything is very clear to you. Solve the problems once again and see. This particular, you use hint as you use this formula. One more thing that you can do is rather than in this expression, rather than keeping it as 3, in some places to have that capital N, you keep it as N itself. Then you'll get a different answer. Okay, so that is one more hint that I can give you how to do it. Next class, we will solve it in detail. All right.